Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my videos. Please press on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will get notified. My name is Kunriti, a Ghanaian girl living in Serbia. It's been a while I posted a video or I made a video because I wasn't feeling well, but I'm fine. Thank you for those who were checking up on me. Thank you so much. Please, as I always tell you, don't come to Serbia on a visit visa in the course of coming to look for a job. Please, you can come to Serbia on a visit visa for holidays, but don't come to Serbia on a visit visa in the course that you are coming to look for a job or you are coming to, stay here forever. Okay, it will be difficult for you to change your status from the visit to a temporary resident or whatever. Okay, and please read your offer letters given to you by your agent or whoever is making your visa for you. Please take your offer letters from them before coming to Serbia. If you take it from them, you will know the kind of jobs you are coming to do, and you will know how the job looks like. Okay, don't let your agency or whoever is doing your visa for you tell you that when you reach Serbia, I'm going to give you your offer letter. Please. Okay, today we are going to talk about breach of contract. We are going to talk about breach of contract. Okay, breach of contract is simply like going against the rules and regulations in your contract, whether by misbehaving or leaving the job before your contract expire, or your employer canceling your job before your contract expire. In Serbia, a breach of contract can lead to various consequences depending on the type of contract and the severity of the breach. You understand? The type of contract, whether it's long contract, whatever contract is it, and how the contract look like. Okay, so in Serbia, breach of contract can lead you to various consequences depending on the type of contract you. So when you come to Serbia, we all know that we come to Serbia. If you are coming to Serbia on a long stay visa, or when you are coming to Serbia on a working visa, you will have 180 days on your visa. Then after it's approximately 6 months. So after the 6 months, your employer will decide whether to continue working with you or not, or you will decide whether to continue working with your employer or not. So this is how it is. If you are working here in Serbia on a long stay visa, which means you are working under a working visa, you came here on a working visa, and your 6 months is not over and you want to, stop working with your employer, you must tell your employer, you must give your employer the reason why you are leaving the job, whether the employer is disturbing you, whether people in the job or your colleagues in the workplace are disturbing you. You give him the reason, then you give him like 1 month notice, let me say 15 days notice for you to vacate the job. And when you are vacating the job, you must let the employer know. You must leave. If the employer has given you an accommodation, you have to pack from the accommodation within that 15 days you give to the employer. You will go under signing back a letter that this particular person, Miss Rita, is not working with so and so company again. And the employer will take those letters to the police station, because anytime we come to Serbia, we register at the police station. That's why your employers always take your passport, that they are going to register you at the police station. Okay, in case of anything, when we go there, they would no. When you go there, they don't take picture of us. It's when we are going to do our residency. That's when they take picture of us and our fingerprints and those stuff. So if you're resigning within that 6 months, the quality of probation period, within that 6 months, you have to let your employer know. You give him the tangible reason you are leaving the job. Then if your employer agree, most of the employer will not agree for you to leave before your 6 months maybe visa expires. Okay, you can leave after the visa expire, but you can't leave, I think you can't leave within the 6 months. If you leave within the 6 months, some employers are going to seize your passport. They are not going to give you your passport until your contract is over. Most of the time, the employers are, aside the agency, sorry, taking their cash cash from us. The employer sometimes pay the agencies for them to bring the people. So the employer may think he is losing or she is losing. So he will not allow you to leave the company just like that. Maybe you came on 180 days visa or long stay visa, you just pack after a month that you are leaving the company. They can give you problem. So you have to, whether the work is difficult or not, please do your best. Finish your 6 months. At least try to get your TRC. Work with the employer for like 1 or 2 months. Then please tell the employer in a nice way by writing them a letter that you cannot work with them again. I'm advising you, that's when you get your TRC, the resident card, the temporary resident card. Then you talk to your employer. He's not going to fight you. He's not going to do anything. Just give them a letter, a notice that you will be leaving the company from this time going, that the employer will understand. You, with that, you haven't breached the contract. You understand. You finish the 6 month probation period, though you have signed a contract for maybe 2 years, or the employer has given you a 1 year residency. You have to give him a notice before you leave. Don't run away from the company, please. Just give him the notice. Okay. And another side of a breach of contract here in Serbia is when you come, maybe somebody will come to Serbia on, like the person is coming to do a welding job. Okay. But when the person came, looking at the person, he's not doing he's not doing well at what he said he can do, or he said he's good at doing. The employer will maybe watch you for like 3 months and decide not to work with you again. Most most employers will send you back home without giving you any notice. They will just say that you can't do the job, so just pack and go within this time. The employer is breaching a contract. You understand? He is breaching a contract. So you have to ask questions that what did I do? What did I do that I have to leave your company within this time, or like that? You have to give me this period. You have to give me this period. You have to let me look for another job because he brought you under a contract. You understand? And also, another breach of contract that can lead to your terminating of your contract by your employer is maybe when you go to your workplace and steal. Stealing is a form of breaching of a contract. You didn't do well by stealing in a company the employer has trusted you with. So the employer has every right to terminate your contract. That is it's like a material breach. You understand? Material breach. It touches the heart of your contract. You understand? So please, I hope this is a brief conversation on a breach of contract here in Serbia. And let's go back to the employers. If an employer is terminating your contract here in Serbia, the employer need to give you like 8 to 10 days writing notice, whether through an email or a letter, that he cannot work with you because of your work ability, because you steal something from the work, because you don't like how you are working, blah 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 blah. And after doing this, whether you have worked for 6 months, whether you have worked for 1 year, whether you have worked for 2 years, the employer have to pay you with, I've forgotten. I'll give you the full details on in any video I make on breach of contract. But the employer have to give you the employer have to pay you a severance pay, like give you a severance pay which cannot be lower than 1/3 of your employee's average gross salary for each full year of payment, whether you have worked for a year, month, whatever. You understand? So they have to give you such amount for you to take home. If they don't give you, you can ask for it. That's why I always tell you on my page that in case you enter Serbia and you don't have much idea, you can Google, you can do research about those things, okay? And please don't run away from your contract. Don't run away from your contract. You try your best and do the job. Finish the 6 months. Wait for your employer to give you the temporary residence. When you have the card, you can tell the employer that I will leave the work from after 15 days, after 20 days, after this, then it's good. Because if you don't tell the employer and you run away, these people are from here and we are coming from a foreign land. So they can do whatever they want to do to us. They can arrest you. I don't know. I'm not sure about that. They can, report. They can do a lot of things. They have all your information. You understand? So please, you do well to finish your contract. You don't breach any of the contract. In my country, they said, so you have to, lay low, finish your contract or do part of your contract, get your temporary ID or temporary residency, and inform your bosses that maybe after 15, 20 days, I want to leave this job because I've gotten a job somewhere which is paying me well, or I want to move out from this city to another city to, for another opportunity, then you are good to go. But when you run away, as I told you earlier, these people are from here and we are not from here. They know the laws here more than we do. You understand? Please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. Please press on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you are going to get notified. My name is Queen Riti. I don't post my videos on any of the social media platforms. I only post my videos only on YouTube. So if you go to any social media platform and you see my videos over there, it's not me. They download it from my YouTube and they post it there. Please don't let anybody lie to you that when you come to Serbia on a visit visa, you're going to get a job. Of course, some people are getting their job, but changing your status from a visit to a residency will be a little bit difficult. Not a little bit difficult, but will be difficult for you. Read your offer letters very well. Translate it from this Serbian language to any language you understand. Read your offer letters very well before you enter Serbia. Make sure you collect or you take your offer letters from your agencies or whoever is doing your visa for you before you enter Serbia. Remember, Serbia salary here starts from 500 euros upward. Okay, don't let anybody lie to you that you are coming to do a construction work or a helper job and you are going to get 1,000 euro. Maybe some people are getting, but that's not the salary here in Serbia. Salary here starts from 500 upward. Beware of fake agencies, okay? In as much as we have good agency, we have fake agency. Try to do a lot of research online, and please, if you have entered Serbia already, there are a lot of demonstration going on, so please be careful, be indoors, don't join the demonstrators, please. You are a foreigner, you mind your own business, be indoor after work, and enjoy beautiful Serbia. Please, Ghana community is having a party on 13th of September. I have posted the flyer in my page. You can go and check the location and join us. My name is Queen Riti. Thank you for being part of this amazing family. I love you all. Bye.